All right, in the last section of this chapter, we're going to talk about the general concept of problem solving by integration. I could go over example after example after example. I'm going to go through one just to give you the idea of what you're expected to do, and then we'll go over more in class tomorrow. But this one comes from the textbook that you guys are using, the Hayes-Harris Mathematics for the IB Student, 2nd edition. The question is that there is a marginal profit for producing X dinner plates per week, and that's given by the function there, 15 minus 0.03x dollars per plate. Like before, I'm given an initial condition that's going to help me figure out my constant of integration. I'm told that if there's no plates made, then there's a loss of $650 each week. We need to find the profit function first and then figure out when the maximum profit occurs and what it is. So for the first part, we need to find that profit function, and since I'm given p prime, I need to simply integrate, find the antiderivative of 15 minus 0.03x, and that is 15x minus 0.015x squared plus my constant. I'm told that when no plates are made, that means when x is 0, the p function is worth 650. So I take my p function and replace all of my x's with zeros, and I get that my constant is 650. So this should actually be that my function is 15x plus 0.015x squared plus 650. So let me just change that there. That's my profit function. All right. Then what I need to do is figure out what the maximum profit is and when it occurs. So I need to, in order to maximize my profit function, I need to take the derivative of it. Well, I already have the derivative of it. It was given to me in the question. It's 15 minus 0.03x. So I simply need to figure out when that is equal to 0, and I'll have my answer. So I solve this and I get that x is equal to 300. So my maximum profit occurs when I have 300 plates, and then to figure out what the profit actually is, I would just plug that into the profit function, which I neglected to do. So we'll probably talk about that first thing tomorrow. What do you get when you plug in 300 into this profit function? Just one example. We'll go over more tomorrow, but if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you tomorrow.